This is my first time reviewing a Huawei tablet, and I finally got my hands on the new Huawei MatePad 11.5 2025. I've always been curious about why so many people love the MatePad series, especially since my partner ended up buying one after reviewing it 2 years ago. So, in this video, let's find out if this tablet is really worth it. The Huawei MatePad 11.5 features a sleek all-metal unibody design. Our unit comes in violet, and there's also a space gray variant available. On the back panel, you'll find the pogo pin connector for attaching the included keyboard case. At the top, there's the volume rocker, and just below it is the magnetic charging area for the stylus. On one side, you'll see the power button along with the two speaker grills, while the opposite side houses another pair of speaker grills and the USB Type-C port. The Huawei MatePad 11.5 features an 11.5-inch IPS display with the smooth 120Hz refresh rate and paper matte technology, making it excellent for note-taking and drawing. Unlike standard glossy glass panels, the screen comes with a built-in matte coating straight out of the box. Its 3:2 aspect ratio and 2456 by 1600 resolution provides sharp, vibrant visual, which makes it perfect for watching your favorite shows. For audio, the tablet is equipped with 4 speakers, 2 on each side. The sound is loud, clear, and well-balanced, delivering an immersive listening experience. Even at maximum volume, it avoids distortion and doesn't sound tinny. The Huawei MatePad 11.5 comes with a Kirin 8020 processor, 8GB of RAM, and 256GB of internal storage. It runs on Harmony OS 4.3, and while there are few pre-installed bloatware apps, they are easy to uninstall if you do not need them. Huawei claims this is a PC-like tablet, and from my experience, that is not just a marketing line. For example, when you open the browser, most websites load in their desktop version instead of the mobile view. On Facebook, the app shows the mobile interface, but on the browser, it goes straight to the desktop version, which gives a more laptop-like experience. On top of that, it comes with PC-level WPS Office 2.0, so you can create Word documents, Excel sheets, or PowerPoint slides, just like on a laptop. Multitasking is smooth with floating multi-window and split-screen mode, allowing you to run multiple apps side by side without noticeable lag. If you purchase the Huawei MatePad 11.5, they will also include the latest M Pencil 3rd Gen for free. It's responsive and doesn't slip, making it great for writing, sketching, or marking up documents. You can pair with the Huawei Notes app that is packed with features. You can import PDFs, use multiple templates, insert images, and even open 2 notes side by side. The AI handwriting enhancement makes handwriting cleaner and easier to read. Aside from that, Huawei also introduced Go Paint for the first time on a MatePad in this range. The app comes with a variety of brushes such as watercolor, pencil, and marker, along with pro-level tools like layers and lasso selection. Whether you're into digital art or just enjoy casual doodling, it's a surprisingly solid app to have built in. On the gaming side, the Huawei MatePad 11.5 can handle both casual titles and demanding games like Genshin Impact. We were able to play Genshin Impact on high graphics with only minimal stuttering. And by lowering the settings to medium, the gameplay became smooth and consistent for an even better experience. The Huawei MatePad 11.5 is equipped with a 13-megapixel rear camera and an 8-megapixel front camera, both capable of recording videos at up to 1080p resolution. Battery is another strong point of the Huawei MatePad 11.5. It comes with a 10,100 mAh capacity that can easily handle hours of video playback, browsing, and productivity tasks. In our experience, it still had some battery left after nearly 8 hours of continuous use, which is impressive. When it is time to charge, the included 40 watts fast charger can fully charge the tablet from 0% to 100% in about an hour and 30 minutes. The Huawei MatePad 11.5 is a strong all-in-one tablet designed for student and young professionals. It offers a smooth paper matte display, solid multitasking features, dependable battery life, and even comes with a free keyboard and stylus, all at a price that makes it hard to beat. While it may not fully replace a laptop, it comes very close and delivers excellent value for work, study, and entertainment. The Huawei MatePad 11.5 is priced at $21,999. I was able to grab it during the pre-order period where Huawei offered an additional 1,500 pesos discount, bringing the final price down to just 20,499, which makes the deal even sweeter. So that's it for our review of the Huawei MatePad 11.5-inch 2025. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.